Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 9, verses 1 to 44:1. So all Israel were listed by genealogies. And behold, asterisks they are written in the book of the kings of Israel. Judah was carried away captive to Babylon for their disobedience. 2. Now the first inhabitants who lived in their possessions in their cities were Israel, the priests, the Levites, and the temple servants. 3. In Jerusalem there lived of the children of Judah, of the children of Benjamin, and of the children of Ephraim and Manasseh. 4. Othai the son of Ammiad, the son of Omri, the son of Imri, the son of Bani, of the children of Perez, the son of Judah. 5. Of the Shilonites, Asaiah the firstborn and his sons. 6. Of the sons of Zerah, Juel and their brothers, 690. 7. Of the sons of Benjamin, Salu the son of Meshullam, the son of Hodaviah, the son of Hasenuah. 8. And Ibniah the son of Jeroham, and Elah the son of Utzi, the son of Mikari, and Meshullam the son of Shephatiah, the son of Reuel, the son of Ibnijah. 9. And their brothers, according to their generations, 956. All these men were heads of fathers' households by their fathers' houses. 10. Of the priests, Jedaiah, Juhorib, Yakin. 11. And Azariah, the son of Hilkiah, the son of Meshullam, the son of Zadok, the son of Meraioth, the son of Ahitub, the ruler of God's house. 12. And Adiah, the son of Jeriel, the son of Pashur, the son of Malchijah, and Mazzahai, the son of Adiel, the son of Jatzerah, the son of Meshullam, the son of Meshulemeth, the son of Immer. 13. And their brothers, heads of their fathers' houses, 1,760. They were very able men for the work of the service of God's house. 14. Of the Levites, Shemaiah the son of Hasub, the son of Azrikam, the son of Hashabiah, of the sons of Merari. 15. And Bakbakur, Hiresh, Gallo, and Mattaniah the son of Micah, the son of Zikri, the son of Asaph. 16. And Obadiah, the son of Shemaiah, the son of Gallo, the son of Jeduthun, and Berechiah the son of Asa, the son of Elkanah, who lived in the villages of the Netophathites. 17. The gatekeepers, Shallum, Akub, Talmon, Ahiman, and their brothers. Shallum was the chief. 18. Who previously served in the king's gate eastward. They were the gatekeepers for the camp of the children of Levi. 19. Shallum was the son of Kori, the son of Ebiasaph, the son of Korah, and his brothers, of his father's house, the Korahites, were over the work of the service, keepers of the thresholds of the tent. Their fathers had been over the Lord's camp, keepers of the entry. 20. Phinehas, the son of Eleazar, was ruler over them in time past, and the Lord was with him. 21. Zechariah, the son of Meshelemiah, was gatekeeper of the door of the tent of meeting. 22. All these who were chosen to be gatekeepers in the thresholds were 212. These were listed by genealogy in their villages, whom David and Samuel the seer ordained in their office of trust. 23. So they and their children had the oversight of the gates of the Lord's house, even the house of the tent, as guards. 24. On the 4 sides were the gatekeepers, toward the east, west, north, and south. 25. Their brothers in their villages were to come in every 7 days from time to time to be with them. 26. For the 4 chief gatekeepers, who were Levites, were in an office of trust, and were over the rooms, and over the treasuries in God's house. 27. They stayed around God's house, because that was their duty, and it was their duty to open it morning by morning. 28. Certain of them were in charge of the vessels of service, for these were brought in by count, and these were taken out by count. 29. Some of them also were appointed over the furniture, and over all the vessels of the sanctuary, over the fine flour, the wine, the oil, the frankincense, and the spices. 30. Some of the sons of the priests prepared the mixing of the spices. 31. Mattathiah, one of the Levites, who was the firstborn of Shallum the Korahite, had the office of trust over the things that were baked in pans. 32. Some of their brothers, of the sons of the Kohathites, were over the showbread, to prepare it every Sabbath. 33. These are the singers, heads of fathers' households of the Levites, who lived in the rooms and were free from other service, for they were employed in their work day and night. 34. These were heads of fathers' households of the Levites, throughout their generations, chief men. They lived at Jerusalem. 35. Jeiel the father of Gibeon, whose wife's name was Maasach, lived in Gibeon. 36. His firstborn son was Abdon, then Zar, Kish, Baal, Ner, Nadab. 37. Gedor, Ahio, Zechariah, and Mikloth. 38. Mikloth became the father of Shemim. They also lived with their relatives in Jerusalem, near their relatives. 39. Ner became the father of Kish. Kish became the father of Saul. Saul became the father of Jonathan, Malchishua, Abinadab, and Eshbal. 40. The son of Jonathan was Merib-Baal. Merib-Baal became the father of Micah. 41. The sons of Micah: Pithon, Melech, Tareah, and Ahaz. 42. Ahaz became the father of Jerah. Jerah became the father of Alameth, Asmaveth, and Zimri. Zimri became the father of Mosa. 43. Mosa became the father of Bineah, Rephiah his son, Elasah his son, and Azel his son. 44. Azel had 6 sons, whose names are Azrikam, Baseru, Ishmael, Shiriah, Obadiah, and Hanan. These were the sons of Azel. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, chapter 9, verses 1 to 44. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.